putting this out there. I know what you did.
Kath is legit.
It's not to anyone specific. Just wanted to put that out there.
See, that seems suspicious that you would say that. Like, the other alien has done something to you?
No,
Or has hacked themselves?
I got hacked.
So are you and Niv an alien then?
I got hacked. It said, what's the last movie to make you jump in the movie theatre? Which is legitimately Blair Witch Project. So...
No, we're suspicious because what Steve said, I know what you did. I'm not saying to anyone specifically, but I know what you did. So now I'm thinking that he's got an alien pal and they, like...
No, I've not
themselves
got an
or
alien
something.
pal. That was like a covert message to whoever just fucking hacked me. That I know what they're doing, and I've already got a suspicion of who it is. That's what I was inferring.
I was just explaining to Niv
I
because
hope you
Niv
make
was
it through
asking
this.
why his
I
answer
like
was
existing.
suspicious, and I was saying it's not. What you said was suspicious, and threw suspicion on him.
I feel that the person who would have gone for me in the first go would have been my sister. So it's Claire. Fuzz, please press some buttons.
11-year-olds don't need babysitters.
Just putting another message out
Do any
there.
of these
I know what
answers
you
seem
did
suspicious?
again.
Oh yeah.
See, what I don't understand is you're making a massive point of this, but all of your answers you could get away with, so it makes me think you're doing something else.
No, I'm not, how would that be advantageous at all? Because
on the
I
clock
already
here,
have a
people, so
suspicion
let's
of
keep
who
it
it
going.
is. I just wanted to signal to them. I know that they know that I know. You know?
Fuck off, you daft prick.
The vote has failed.
I've declined that because I don't trust Steve yet.
Okay, some last-minute heroics would be nice.
Then get me
All
in
you can do is keep testing until you can all
bioscan
agree.
me. I'm
Okay,
that confident
next
of my
captain, you're in
position.
charge.
Because why are you such a twat?
Because I was looking for a CGI Revan for you.
Oh look, good one.
Velcro.
Oh, I well thought it was
What
Claire.
the hell?
Who hacked me? Who hacked me fucking twice in a row? Absolutely brutalized me.